In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons on your homepage in Shopify. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can follow along in your own store. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the section labeled Online Store, then open your current theme and click the option to edit the theme. This will take you into the Online Store editor, where you can visually customize your homepage. Once you're inside the editor, decide exactly where you want your icons to appear. This might be above your featured products, under a banner, or in a section that highlights your store's benefits. When you've chosen the spot, click on that area and look for the option to add a new section. From the list of available sections, select Custom Liquid. This section lets you insert custom code into your page. After adding the Custom Liquid section, click on it to open its settings. You'll see a text box where you can paste code. This is where the icon setup will go. In the original walkthrough, some sample code is provided. You can pause that video or reference your notes, then copy the exact code and paste it into this text box. The code you're adding creates a small icon with text next to it on your homepage. The icon is an SVG, which means it's drawn by the browser and will look sharp at any size without getting blurry. The code also keeps the size and alignment consistent, so the icon and text line up neatly. The icon automatically uses the same color as the text, so everything looks cohesive. And the label text next to the icon is just regular text you can edit to say whatever you like. Next, you'll customize the actual icon shape. Open a new tab and search for a site that offers free SVG icons, such as a popular library like Heroicons. Browse through the icons, hover over the one you like, and choose the SVG option to view the SVG code. Go back to your Shopify editor and look in your custom liquid code for the part that starts with SVG and ends with SVG. Carefully delete everything between those two tags and paste in the SVG code you copied from the icon library. Check the live preview on the right side of the editor to make sure the icon and text look the way you want. If you're happy with the result, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Save. Your icons are now added to your Shopify homepage.